In this video, you'll find out what does Kajabi do for entrepreneurs. See, you're about to discover why building a successful online business isn't easy for entrepreneurs. The one support element Kajabi offers that no other platform provides, and how you can leverage the power of Kajabi to rapidly reach your goals. And stick around, because in a moment, I'll answer the question, how does Kajabi work in 2022? I'm Dex Williams, and I've helped others market and sell their knowledge online since 2007 using a variety of platforms and services. But what I discovered was that Kajabi was an absolute game changer. So I became a founding member of Kajabi in 2015. Now, since then, I have truly discovered that life isn't easy for an ambitious entrepreneur. See, entrepreneurs by nature have big dreams, exciting goals, but limited time, limited resources, and limited support, all of which can cripple potential results. So what does Kajabi do to help alleviate this? Well, first off, Kajabi offers daily live Q&A webinars. If you have any questions regarding the platform or possible business strategies, they have these live webinars that you can hop onto and talk to a success manager with Kajabi who will help guide you, give you some resources and tips, and they may even direct you to Kajabi University, where there's even more content, more training, and more experts who can help you out. They also provide virtual meetups using the Kajabi platform. So you can meet up with other Kajabi entrepreneurs from across the world, and you can discuss any sort of challenges, ideas, frustrations that you might be having, and you can brainstorm and bounce ideas off fellow Kajabi users who can relate to the same challenges and frustrations that you may be going through. And finally, they offer 24/7 support, whether that's email or live chat, depending on the pricing plan that you pick. This means that at any point during your platform usage, whether you're building out a website, setting up a service, setting up some sort of online course or membership, if you get stuck, there is help just around the corner. Which means in 2022 and onwards, you'll have constant access and support with other entrepreneurs who are using Kajabi. You can finally get inspired, motivated, and excited to grow a successful business with Kajabi. So with that all said, which Kajabi benefit is most helpful to you? Comment below. And if you want more videos featuring Kajabi updates and strategies, make sure to hit that like button, click that subscribe button, and push that notification bell so that you get told about any future videos that get released. And be sure to watch this next video, which goes over how to use Kajabi for maximum results, as well as a secret regarding Kajabi how-to videos.